In this video, I'm going to show you how I mix my painting palette. I am painting a cow, you can see there in the background. I have an underdrawing all set up, ready to go. I like to mix my paint with a little bit of heavy gloss gel medium from Liquitex. I put the white paint down there so that way I can get some tints, which some people say it's pastels, but in painting terminology, it's tints of your fully saturated colors. I use a lot of Dick Blick acrylics. I like those. They're a little bit more affordable than Liquitex, and I don't see really any difference in the quality for most of the kinds of paint anyway. I like to make, some people say an open palette would be just laying out the colors and then mixing as you go, and then a closed palette is when you pre-mix some of the colors. Now, and then sometimes on a closed palette you pre-mix the colors and that's all you do, but all you use. But I kind of do a little bit of both. I pre-mix some of my colors, so I have tints, tones, and shades. I find that it makes it so I can match the colors everywhere a little bit better on the piece, but then I also will mix them as I go, as I need to as well. You mix tints, tones, and shades. So that way when you are painting your piece you can match the values of the colors with what you see, if you're trying to make something realistic anyway. Sometimes people just like to do it because it also gives it a good color scheme, a feel to the color scheme. It gives it continuity, because you're using the same kind of blue but just tints, tones, and shades of it. Same kind of red but tints, tones, and shades. A little red goes a long way when it comes to making a pink, which is what I'm going for. I don't put too much straight red in my paintings. think with animals, if you put a lot of red on them, it might look, especially when they're abstract, it might look like blood. So I made that a little bit too dark, so I need to go in and add some more white to it. I always leave this area of my palette open so that I can use it and kind of mix colors, and I mix colors in all the area that I haven't already pre-mixed colors. In this painting, I'm just doing a primary color palette, and so I'm making tints, tones, and shades of the primary colors that I have, and already the yellow, which is a yellow ochre, is kind of a muted yellow. Alright, well, that's how I mix up my paint. See you next time.